When I went to college, that's the year that I was reflecting about my choices in life. Sabi ko kasi sa sarili ko, I think it's time for me to choose my own battle. And it wasn't actually easy. Lalo na't wala akong kakampi at wala akong other options. Kasi ang hirap labanan ng cycle ng pamilya mo. Kasi ikaw ang magiging kontrabida the moment you decided to start on improving yourself. So, I learned to stop caring about being right or being wrong. I stopped meddling too much in their life problem. Kasi sabi ko, di naman na sila bata. Hindi naman dahil sa tingin nila tama sila, is mabait na sila. At hindi naman dahil bida ako sa mata nila, is masama na akong tao. And to be honest with you, I like being the villain. Kasi I don't have to think anymore about what other people might think about me. Kasi nga, kontrabida na ako, di ba?